Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So what I want to do today is just do a quick unboxing video on the Ubiquiti XG wireless panels. Like I told you in a previous video, we're going to be using these on a job, and I'm going to put a video together of the installation and then obviously the performance of these. But let's go through an unboxing just so I can show you what comes in here. So as you see, it comes in a nice sturdy box. I'll open it up. So right away, you know, Ubiquiti does a really good job, I think, at, just even on their marketing side of things. You know, got their pictures of a lot of their different devices that they have right on the box, and right away you get the panel in here. It's securely packaged. It's got a protective film on it, so you're not going to get your fingerprints or anything on the, not that it matters, but so right away taking this thing out of the box, I mean, this thing's heavy. It weighs a good probably 7 pounds. I haven't looked at the specs, but you know, it's pretty solid. Already has the main bracket installed for you, so you don't have to bother doing that. I'm noticing there's a QR code on it right here, so I'm sure that's either to just download the app or yeah, it's most likely just download the Unifi app. It's got a little LCD screen here. I'm not sure what's going to come up on that. I'm sure it's going to probably give us some stats after we get it online and plugged in, similar to their new switches that they have that you can swipe on. I don't know if you can swipe on this one yet. Some of you probably, if you've touched this, will already know that. And then we have two different interfaces. It says right here, first one's 1 gig, and then the other one's 10 gig. So it's got the waterproof connectors on them. Excuse me. So that's good. For the customer that we're doing, it's just going to be a 1 gig. Excuse me. It's just going to be a 1 gig. So we'll be using that. So that's the panel. So then back here, it's the power supply again. PoE power supply, the brick. I won't be using this, but again, from their original ones that they've had from years ago, this is an upgrade. It's solid. Quite impressed with that. Got a little user manual right here, and over on this side here's the back side of the mount. So this is meant to go on a pole, so you sandwich this this piece with this on here. So you'd put your pole, this, and then there'll be bolts that will go through to tighten that. So that is on that side. Power cable. Again, all the necessary hardware comes with it to put the thing together. So again, you don't have to worry about going to the hardware store. All you really need is the pole. Generally, that's how these are supposed to be hung, on some type of pole. Over here we have another bracket. So I think the way that works is, obviously that goes on the other side. This will go on the back, and it obviously will allow you to angle the panel in the direction that you need it to go in. So again, very handy. Comes with a level built in on it. So again, these little things to me go a long way. Yeah, I can put my own level on it, but guess what? It's one less tool that I have to have in my back pocket when I'm installing this thing. That's all that's on that side. So we'll put that back in right now. And I don't believe there's anything else, because that's all we're gonna need. But yeah, definitely looks to be a solid piece of equipment. Looks to be put together right. Looks like it's going to be able to withstand the elements. You know, it's got a good package. As you can see, I got more of them. We're going to be putting 3 of them up. So overall, just from the looks of it, looks like it's going to be a good unit. So like I said, I'm going to videotape the installation for the customer that we're putting this up, so you can see the entire installation, see how it goes. And then obviously I'm going to do a performance video on it. I want to see, they claim that these can cover a very wide area, which that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be putting it up on on an outside field. So we're going to have 1 per field, and it's going to be for just public Wi-Fi. So I don't have to worry about it being, you know, 100%. It's not like it's something for corporate and I need to have 100% coverage in every corner. But again, you do want it to work for the situation. So definitely stay tuned for that video, and we'll show you the entire installation and the performance. And until the next one, I will see you later.